Hi, everybody. I'm John Stringer.
And I'm Kathy Stringer.
We're excited to tell you about our one-day Aligned Relationships mini retreat for a transformational experience you won't forget.
After 20 years of being in a relationship together, we have learned a lot about how to have an aligned and loving relationship. What we found is most important is the relationship first that you have with your higher power and yourself. At this mini retreat, we are going to focus on how to cultivate that relationship with your higher power, yourself, and others to bring joy and fulfillment to your life.
That's right. It's all about alignment, as Kathy mentioned, to experience our oneness, our perfection, and power together. And we're going to do that through music, vulnerable conversations, group activities and sharing, presentations, visioning, experiencing your divine guidance firsthand for whatever is challenging you and me.
It is going to be amazing, and we so hope you can join us for this beautiful one-day mini retreat.
See you soon.